guys! I was asked to do some line dancing tutorials in case you're sitting at home bored wondering what to do this weekend. You can practice some of these. So today I will show you 3 line dances, and if you guys really like them, maybe next week I'll make more. But today we're going to start with a song called Storm Warning by Hunter Hayes. Alrighty, here we go. You are going to mirror what I'm doing, or you can just do the exact same thing I am. So what we're going to do is take our right leg and kind of kick it out like this for 1, 2. Do the same thing on this side. 3, 4. We're going to take 4 steps back, and on the 4th step you're going to jump. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sense? All right, let's try it again from the top. We're going to start with our right leg, kind of push it out. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we're going to grapevine to the right really quickly. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's take that from the top. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now here's the rest of the song, pretty easy. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So you're basically just taking your right leg and pushing it over your left and kind of switching your weight. I don't know the dance terms, I'm really sorry. All right, let's take it from the top, and then we're gonna add music to it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then we do the same thing all over again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's the song. Let's put it to music. Just groove for a little bit. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8.
She rolled in from the west and I saw her sun just hotter than the heat in July. With her wind-blown hair, it just wasn't fair the way she was blowing my mind. Have you ever noticed every hurricane gets its name from a girl like this? She's a cat five kind, keeps you up at night, hanging on to the end of a kiss. She's a beautiful mess. Yeah, the kind you love to love, but what happens next? I got a feeling when the sun comes up, I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning. I'm gonna wish I had a sign. I'm gonna wish I had a little heads up, little leaf play, a little more time. Or some kind of radar system locked in on love. I got a feeling by the time the night finds the morning, I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning. I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning. Ain't it funny how it feels when you're burning your wheels somewhere between going and gone? You get so lost that you can't turn it off. You give in and you just turn it on. She's a hot gonna rain, red lips like a flame. She's a girl from your favorite song. What a beautiful mess. One part angel, one part perfect, one part the red.
That's the song. Keep going.
The kind of